Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm just chilling out, playing a bit of FIFA at the moment. I'm pretty much basically going to Subway today to meet Sid, and then staying around this tonight because we're going out for his birthday tomorrow. We're going to go to a skate park in Norwich, so I'm taking the GoPro and charging that up right now. So I'm going to take that to the skate park in Norwich tomorrow. Get some GoPro clips for tomorrow's vlog, so hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Let's go. Just waiting for Sid, got to scoot here. Yeah, outside KFC, just as always, and generally just left lunchtime. So donkeys. I don't know why I keep doing that. That's really weird. But anyway, it's actually what the doctor ordered, a bit of KFC. Subway noob. Subway noob. Oh, Subway noob. Subway noob. Oh, Subway noob. Oh, Subway noob.
I feel my sandwich squishing.
I'm feeling yourself. Just come across this old,
too much candy.
Come across this old sweet shop.
Oh my days. Yeah.
Faster!
Oh, that was sickly manageable.
Oh! That was bad. To live.
My legs getting a tan.
Same.
Leg tan.
Leg tanning.
Ah, my back. Oh, what? My back hurts still.
Oh. Tramp-headed! Tramp-headed! Trampoline! Trampoline!
So go flip. Do a flip. Oh. My back hurts too much. Be alive, come on.
Handstand.
Good. That's not a straight handstand though. It's just a weird wobbly one.
Really?
That's weird. Wait, double jump me. Double jump me. Oh, my back hurts. We're gonna fix the scooter, but we can't get the wheels off the old one that has good wheels.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try and make some sparks. Should we just need like clip the video so much and you call it? Try to get the forks off gone wrong. George, come on!
Got a grinder on my old scooter. This is dangerous. So dangerous. So dangerous. So like I said, we're going to a skate park far away, far away.
My dad dialed it!
Yeah, Sid's dad has dialed my scooter for me, so
Wait!
it is so...
Old wheels are so bouncy.
Yeah, we changed the wheels, dialed it.
Is that better, dude?
Yeah.
Just listen to it,
nice.
listen to it.
Oh.
Oh! god. You reach. Oh, that hurt.
You are so weak.
Go on.